Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the Trade Facilitation Agreement. Let's get started. It is very important for you if you want to know about the process, export, import, and this facilitation. It makes you easier to process of it. The Trade Facilitation Agreement, or TFA, is a landmark accord under the World Trade Organization that aim to simplify, modernize, and harmonize international trade procedures. Adopted during the WTO Ministerial Conference in Bali in 2013 and entering into force in 2017. The TFA seeks to reduce the trade barriers, enhance transparency, and improve the efficiency of customs operation. By streamlining the movement, release, and clearance of goods, the agreement helps promote global trade, lower transaction costs, and support economic growth, especially for developing countries. Okay, I hope you understand for this concept. Trade facilitation agreement, it makes you easier to process, export, and import. The trade facilitation agreement, international treaty under the WTO, World Trade Organization, and it has functioned to simplify, speed up the movement, release, and clearance of goods across border. Okay, it was adopted during the WTO Ministerial Conference in Bali 2013 and entered into force in February 2017. This is very important agreement and it is under WTO, World Trade Organization, and for main objective for this trade facilitation agreement, number one, to simplify custom procedures to make trade faster and more predictable. Okay, if you get trouble in your process forwarding, so you can see in this trade facilitation agreement and you can get easier through this TFA. Number two, increase transparency by requiring countries to publish and share trade regulation. Because of this, so you can see the regulation of export import in every country. You can check, you can see to this regulation, and if you get problem, you can check it is true or not regulation. Number three, reduce trade costs and delays on import and export processes. Okay, so if you know about this, your cost in process this can be decreased. Number four, enhance cooperation between custom and other border authorities. Every country has custom and they can check and balance, and they will cooperate to solve this problem, to any problem. Structure of the agreement. The TFA is divided into three main sections. Section number 1, 2, and 3. Number 1, technical provision. Number 2, special and differential treatment for developing and least developing country. Number 3, institutional arrangement. Okay, for number one, technical provisions focuses on trade procedure like publication of rules, advanced ruling, risk management, and border cooperation. Okay, section number one, technical provision focuses on trade procedure like publication of rules, advanced ruling, risk management, and border cooperation. Section 2, special and duration treatment for developing and least developed countries allows more time and technical assistance for implementation. Okay, number 3, institutional arrangement establishes the WTO Committee on Trade Facilitation and requires each country to form a national committee on trade facilitation or NCTF. Okay, these are three main sections of structure of the arrangement. What the benefit of this trade facilitation agreement? Number one, faster custom clearance and trade flow. Number two, lower cost of doing businesses across border. Number three, improve transparency and efficiency in trade processes. Number four, increase global competitiveness and foreign investment. Okay, so if you know about this trade facilitation agreement, you can get many advantages from this. I will give you the example of this trade facilitation agreement. You can imagine a company in Indonesia wants to export coffee beans to Germany. Before the TFA, trade facilitation agreement, the process was slow and complicated. The exporter had to deal with many forms, long inspection, and unclear customs rules. Okay, this is a very crowded situation. After this, any trade facilitation agreement, so it will be easier. It could take several, if there is no TFA, it could take several days or even weeks to get the shipment cleared at the port. But after any this TFA, trade facilitation agreement, so custom procedure becomes simpler and faster, and the exporter can now submit document electronically. Custom uses risk management, so only some containers are inspected, not for all containers, but just some containers are inspected. Trade information, fees, rule, and steps is published online for transparency. All information for this process will be sold online. As the result, the coffee shipment moves faster with lower costs and fewer delays, benefiting both the exporter and the importing country. Okay, this is very important, trade facilitation agreement. And if you are as a forwarder company, so you will get many advantages from this agreement. I think enough for this explanation. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time, and bye bye.